Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll tell you how to link existing apps with your app using Deeplink Future. With Deeplink Future, you can easily link your existing apps present on Google Play Store and Apple Store with your app. Let's get started now. Enter your business name and click on Next. Based on your business name, the AI will show you some specific categories. If you can't find the appropriate category, click on View More Categories. Here you will see all the categories. Choose the one that best suits your business. Once done, click on Next. Now select an app design as per your choice and click on Next. Now let's add the page. Click on View All here and search Deeplink. Click on the page to add it. Here's your Deeplink page name. If you want, you can change it. From here you can change the page icon. If you want, you can select solid outline icon or image from a library or upload your own custom icon image from this section. Now select the platform, that is Android or iOS. First, let's go with Android. Enter the Android app Deeplink URL here. Now let's add iOS app link. Select iOS here. Now enter the iOS app URL. Enter the URL schema here. Click on Add More to add multiple apps. From here you can delete the field. Once you are done, click on Save and Continue to finish creating your app. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.